welcome to SDG Talk Show. So now, let's welcome our participants for today. John Paul Lupianda, King Ford Evangelist, and Jimuel Encarnacion.
Hi, sir. Hi, sir.
Let's begin our session today by asking these students about the climate change. Why is climate action important to us now, Mr. King?
Yes, it is important because climate change can affect our health, our home, our environment, and also our future. By taking climate action, we can protect our community and so the next generation can live a livable life.
Yes, that's right. And I will add some of my ideas. If we're going to talk about climate action right now in this program, it's very suitable in this generation. As we experience is from typhoons, floods, and heat waves. If we don't act this immediately, the future generation will suffer even more.
What a wonderful question that Mr. John Paul,
Yes.
and thank you for that
Thank you.
answer, Mr. King.
Thank you.
So, Mr. Jimuel, as a student, how can we help IU help the environment in simple ways?
Thank you for this question. We can start by reducing plastic use, recycling, and
Excuse me, can you make your voice louder, sir?
So, okay. We can start by reducing plastic use, recycling, and bringing economic bags or bottles. Small habits make a big difference.
Okay, thank you. So, what environmental problems do you notice around us now?
So, thank you for this. We see a lot of littering, building, and too much waste. If everyone dispose of trash properly, our community would look cleaner and safer. This is my answer. So,
Yeah, that's a wonderful question, sir. Thank you. So, now,
Oh no, speaking out again. Sorry nice rain melted. Good thing I bought fresh clean with wipes. Wow, this feels so good, man. Fresh clean wet wipes. Gentle, safe, and super soft. Perfect for kids, travel, and everyday messes.
welcome back to SDG Talk Show. So now we will be talking about the SDG 1 or no poverty. So, Mr. Kimford, I'll ask you first. So, as a student, what is SDG 1 about or the no poverty?
Yes, SDG number 1 or no poverty aims to end poverty everywhere and ensure everyone has basic needs like food, shelter, and education.
Exactly. How about you, Sir Lienda? How can, as a student, how can we help fight the poverty?
Especially that's a wonderful question. Students can help a lot in fighting poverty. Students can play a meaningful role in fighting poverty, like educating themselves and the others, organize donation drives, and volunteer in community programs and raising awareness in schools, but not only schools, but everywhere and anywhere. Even small actions are matter.
Oh, what a nice question answer, Sir Lienda. How about you, Sir Encarnacion? Any message for everyone about poverty?
so thank you for the question. My answer is yes. Ending poverty is everyone's responsibility. Student can make a difference by helping others, and supporting community programs.
Okay. Okay, good question. So, thank you everyone for listening our SDG Talk Show. So, the SDG or Sustainable Development Goals are 17 global goals set by the United Nations. It aims to poverty, protect the planet, and ensure prosperity for everyone by 2025. The focus is on improving our lives, promoting equality, and creating sustainable future to all. Thank you. That's all. Thank you.